Okay, I'm going to try to help somebody out, or people out like me that I couldn't get any help from Chevrolet or GM customer service or the service departments. The only people that helped me out at all were the guys in parts. And the part I needed was obsolete, discontinued. They do not manufacture it anymore. GM can't get it, and they don't care, and they won't try to help you. But my problem was my security light was coming on and staying on. It would crank sometimes and it wouldn't crank sometimes. It would cut the power off to the fuel pump. So initially I was wiggling the bottom of the switch and it would crank. But I really don't think it had anything to do with that. Now, there's the switch. So I changed that out. And then I changed out the lock cylinder housing up here. That didn't help either. And so I finally found the anti-theft deterrent module, which was the culprit. This is what you need. This is my old one. It's not any good. It's part number 1626495. When I did my VIN at Chevrolet, the part number came up 19352770. I finally found this part on eBay, Pro Rebuild, and it has worked just right. You will have to do a relearn once you find it. Chevrolet, the parts guys were great. They did what they could. They printed me out these two diagrams showing me where this thing is located. There it is right there on its little mounting plate. And over here, this is the interior dash. Of course, this is the front of the vehicle. It's very difficult to get to. I had to finally get to it with my left hand and release these two little clips, and then it came right out and replaced and unplugged it and just replaced it. Then I had to do a relearn. The relearn that came with Pro Build did not work, so I tried a different relearn that I downloaded from Pro Tech. I googled it and got this relearn procedure. The one I needed was for the pass lock code lock cylinder. This is a 2000 Chevrolet Express Van 2500. Now when you start looking for this thing and get down underneath there on your back and start looking up, it's very hard to find. I don't know if I've got a video of it, but I don't know if you can see it. It is actually sitting, if you can get this thing out here, I ended up taking all this off. I don't think I needed to now that I know where it is. It sits right back here on the right inside of the steering column up above. And you can get your left hand up there and unclip it and get it out. And then do the relearn procedure. You will get one with Pro Build. It's $149. The one they send you, it got here in less time than they said, and it worked great. So hopefully that will help y'all, because Chevrolet and GMC certainly isn't going to give you any. This is going to be a little backwards, and I don't know if you can see what's going on here or not. But this part is up behind there, and I can't hold my arm up because of my surgery. It's up above that. Very difficult to get to. I think Chevrolet did it on purpose. Gotta get all this crap out of the way. My problem started, the engine would crank and cut off, crank and cut off. The security light was on, so I read my owner's manual. It said take it to Chevrolet. I went over and talked to Chevrolet, talked to General Motors, Cadillac dealership here in Athens, and they couldn't help me. Initially, I could wiggle this switch and it would crank. It would stay running. I thought that was working for it, but evidently it wasn't related. So I ended up replacing that switch. Got that original from Chevrolet. Then I got this piece, the case for the lock cylinder, original Delco Remy from Chevrolet. Neither one of those worked, and so then the code showed it was the theft deterrent module. Oh, this little jewel. GM, Chevrolet, it's discontinued. When I talked to GM, they said, don't bring it over here. There's nothing we can do for it. GM customer service online said, take it to the dealership. Dealership said, don't bring it over here. Nothing we can do for it. So I finally found this part online. Pro Rebuild at